Yo! Oh my God, I'm not a fish! Yo, Mako! All right, let's go. All right. First of all, this was a mistake. Oh my God, that is high as hell. Why is it so high though? Like, I'm not trying to catch an airplane. I'm just trying to get on a roller coaster. Oh Lord, okay. I mean, big climb, small fall, right? You okay, buddy? You holding on for dear life? You good? Oh my God, I hate this overlook. I despise this overlook. Yo! Oh my God, I'm not a fish! Yo, Mako! I'm not a fish! Okay, we're good. We're good. No, we are not. We are absolutely not. Oh, you know what? Put me back on Grover's Boxcar Derby. Oh my God! Yo! Wait a minute. Why does it keep going? Okay, is that the end right there? Oh! Ooh, so aggressive. What are you, my ex? Oh, look, Starbucks. Yo, never mind. Okay, okay. Oh my God, it's like an abusive relationship. It just keeps going. Going. Okay. I think my calf is not enough, as well as my back. No, of course not. Why would it be the end, right? Okay. Oh, man, what are these hills, bro? What is this, the Hollywood Hills? Okay, I'm good. You good? What's up with this leaning? I'm not Fat Joe. I don't lean back. Okay. Woo! That was not fun. You good? You good? You look very happy.